There's all the stuff that I've ordered for my upcoming trip. Now let's open each one of them. I'm really excited and see what comes out of them. Cool, I have the first box here. All right, as I thought, this is the DJI mic. I'm gonna open that next. What's this? Oh, these are some electronic wipes. That is a media mod for my GoPro because the audio quality on the GoPro kind of sucks. So we need a video mod, and that video mod clubbed with the DJI mic, I'm hoping will really kick ass. So we have the DJI mic box here. The reason I bought this is because it's very hard to get really good quality audio when you're recording on a camera. The shotgun mics and stuff like that, I've sort of used those, but still, I mean, if I move away from the camera, then it's gonna be a hassle nevertheless. So I wanna try out this DJI mic, wireless mic. Not really cheap stuff, but I hope it pays off. Cool. All right, there's a little bit of tab here. I think a lot of people being inspired by Apple's packaging these days. Try to copy a lot of that. So there's the open, okay. And then let's see. There's something in that. And then we have this. This is it. This is, let's see if anything is there underneath it. No, nothing. All right, this is the DJI wireless mic. See how compact it is. It's literally like a little bigger than an iPhone iPod box. This is very travel friendly, even if I want to record podcasts and stuff like that. Now, when I open this, let's open it, and then you're kind of greeted by an automatic presentation of how much battery is left in each one of them. And then this is the receiver, 2 transmitters, and then a bunch of cables or connectors and stuff like that. So cool, that's it. This is the DJI collar mic. This is a connector for an iPhone. This is a connector for USB-C, most of the Androids these days. And then we have a clip. These come with inbuilt clips here. And then this comes with a magnet. There's a magnet, so very effortless here. And then there is this case, which is, you just plug the case in and the whole setup charges, which is really, really convenient. One of the key benefits of this, which I'll explain in another video, is that you can record onboard audio. So if you're in a hurry, want to record something, you record it on board on this, and then you plug it to your computer and extract all the audio, which is in super high quality, and then get working with that. Now, I'm not going to make a lot of video on this right now, but I can review it in another session. So this is it. And then let's see what's there in this box. There's a little bag. And then we have I think this is called a dead cat. Funny name, but dead cat. This is to sort of muffle out the wind outdoors. There's an audio jack, which is very useful to connect to a camera and stuff. And then we have the USB-C to USB regular, and that's it. This is basically our audio setup. All right, next over here we have the GoPro media mod. Let's see, this should be fairly simple. Whoops, how do I open this? Oh. There's this. There's an audio jack there. Next, there's a USB-C, and then there's like an HDMI. So that's that. And then this is the detachable wind muff. There's a bi-directional mic. Cool. That's that. And then we have cold shoe slot here, another cold shoe slot here. So everything you need for your accessories right there.